Hello everyone, so today is day 3 and I'm so excited that we are going together in this beautiful journey where you can achieve your goals, your dreams, your desire wants. So as you are responsible, you are taking accountability your all acts and behavior. You are transforming. Transforming does not mean that you are not happy where you are. It means that you really want to achieve something higher. You really want to play your life. You really want to do whatever you really want to do. Whether you can do it or not, but you really want to try. So this is called transformation for me. I mean, most of the people think that transformation means is something that you are not enough in this moment and you really want to be someone else. No, it's not transformation. Transformation is very positive thing that you are growing day by day and you are very happy where you are. So today in this day, we really want to look what you really want to stop, start and continue. As you know that every day is a new day. Life is all about new opportunities, new moment, new life, new you. So when you wake up in the morning, so you are a new person if you think so. As we are moving towards our goals, our destination, our whatever your dreams. So if you did not do anything, let's say you really have decided that you have to work out and you did not do yesterday. So it's okay. Today is a new day. I mean, it happens with everyone. So as life is all about new day, new opportunity, if yesterday you did not do anything that you really wanted to do, it's okay. Today is a new day. You can start over. You can do it today. So what are the things, or what is the one thing you really want to start? You really think that you should start from today. And what are the things and what is the one thing that you really want to stop, that is no more supporting you, that is no more serving you? And what is the one thing that you really want to continue? Like you are praying or you are doing some good stuff with your parents or whatever. Maybe you have a very good habit, you wake up early in the morning, you pray. So if you get dragged sometimes and you really want to continue this habit, so just think about it. This program is all about awareness and reflection. We are not here to win straight away a huge dream, but we are here to step forward every day. We need micro wins, because these small steps, these micro wins will lead you to your desirable, a big success, a big dream. So keep it in your mind. If you really want to start working out, or if you want to lose weight, so you can start from at least 10 minutes. You don't have to work out for 2 hours, because this is how we really get demotivated. So one day, one action, but you have to do it. So here you have to decide what you really want to stop, what you are doing, because we have already talked about a lot awareness and reflection. So here you have to sit and you have to think about it, that what is something you really want to stop, you really want to start, and you really want to continue. So here your call to action is, your action step is, just identify one of each. I mean, identify one thing you really want to stop, one thing you really want to start, and one thing you really want to continue. Write it down and reflect.